Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in our first unit on EDA. As promised, in this video we're going to talk about the two ways to index in pandas. This is going to be a really quick video that just introduces the basics, and we'll get a lot more practice with it in upcoming videos. So again, two main ways to index. We can index using labels, so kind of what things are called, and the word we use for that is lock, versus we can index using, when this says positive, it should say integer position. So let's say integer position. So the actual index, so like 0, 1, 2, using ilock. And I like of thinking ilock as standing for integer lock for location, so integer location versus label location. So here I have pandas imported as PD. I have our sample data imported from the previous videos. So again, here we can see the rows are indexed 0, 1, 2, but this also happens to be their label, versus the columns have these titles cost, quantity, seller, and rating. But the integer indices are 0, 1, 2, 3. So first question I have here is asking, how can we access the entry in the row at index 2, so 0, 1, 2, and the column named seller, so that would be Eve, using lock? So the way we do this is we say df.lock, and then we use square brackets and say, all right, row at index 2 is also labeled 2, because in this case, the names of the rows and the indices are the same. And we go to the seller column, and because we're using lock, this is label based, so this column is called seller. And like we would expect, this returns Eve. Now, second question is saying, how can we access the same value using ilock? So remember ilock, integer location, so I'll say df.ilock. The row is still 2 because in this case the label is also its integer location. But now the seller column, let's get its index. So we have 0, 1, 2. So seller should be 2. And here it returns Eve. So again, really quick video, just wanted to introduce these two ways of indexing. In the next video, we're going to talk about Boolean indexing in pandas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.